This on-page SEO crash course will save you 5+ years of trial and error with creating and executing a successful SEO strategy for your business. Get your notepad out for this one. Also, stick around until the end of the video for a free resource that our team created to help you build out your on-page SEO strategy. This is the product-led SEO growth strategy that we use in-house to drive over $25 million of revenue for our clients every year through SEO and LLM SEO. We're not teaching theory here. This is battle-tested strategy that generates real results. Here's why this matters. 68% of online experiences begin with a search engine. Organic search accounts for 94% of all clicks, but only 0.63% of users click on page 2 results. If you're not on page 1, you practically don't exist. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Marzook. While Marzook is helping clients increase their revenue with LLM SEO, I'm here to share Marzook's latest thoughts on SEO and marketing. Enjoy. Marzook will be reading all of the comments. And speaking of getting results, we validate SEO for 3 companies every month for $300. Validate SEO within 30 days for $300, instead of paying thousands of dollars upfront to figure out whether or not SEO is a good marketing channel for your business. No long-term contracts. You see results first, then decide. Check out trailblazermktg.com/validate. Let's start with the foundation. Understanding what on-page SEO actually is and why it's the most important lever you can pull. The SEO market is currently valued at $72.31 billion in 2025 and projected to reach $106.15 billion by 2030. And 94% of all clicks go to organic search results. If your website isn't optimized, you're missing out on the vast majority of potential traffic. The average #1 ranking on Google receives 27.6% of all clicks. The top 3 results collectively capture 54.4% of clicks, and 75% of users never scroll past the first page. You're fighting for one of 10 spots, or you're invisible. SEO leads close at 14.6% compared to just 1.7% for outbound leads. That's 8.5 times more effective. And SEO returns $22 for every $1 spent, making it one of the highest ROI marketing activities available. On-page SEO refers to optimizing individual web pages to improve their search rankings. Unlike off-page SEO, which focuses on backlinks you can't fully control, on-page SEO is entirely within your power. This includes title tags, headings, body content, meta descriptions, URL structure, and image alt text. You can make changes instantly without waiting for external factors. In 2024, Google added a critical 4th E to their quality guidelines, transforming EAT into EEAT by adding experience. Google now prioritizes content demonstrating first-hand knowledge and real-world application. You can't fake expertise anymore. Google is looking for proof that you've actually done what you're writing about. Section 2. Your search result foundation. This is what users see before they even click. Title tags are the second most important ranking factor at approximately 15% algorithm weight, but Google now rewrites 76% of title tags as of the first quarter of 2025. You need to craft titles strategically to avoid Google replacing them with something less optimized. Keep titles between 42 to 46 characters for best display. Front-load your most important keywords. For product pages, use product name, key benefit, brand. For blog posts, use how to do something, number steps, brand. Include power words, numbers, or the current year to increase perceived relevance. Meta descriptions don't directly affect rankings, but they're your sales pitch and search results. Well-written descriptions increase CTR by 5.8%, and with schema markup can boost it by 30 to 40%. Keep them 150 to 160 characters. Use this structure: opening hook, key benefit, clear call to action. Include your target keyword naturally, it'll be bolded in search results. URLs are permanent decisions. Google keeps the last 20 changes as immutable records. Never include dates like /2024/in URLs. It creates permanent date signals that make content appear outdated. Keep URLs 50 to 60 characters maximum. Use hyphens to separate words. Include your primary keyword once, close to the domain. Good example, domain.com/SEO-services/on-page optimization. Bad example, domain.com/services?? ID equals 123 amperes and date equals 2024. Section 3, content optimization. This is where most people fail and where you can dominate. Content over 3,000 words wins 3 times more traffic, earns 4 times more shares, and gets 3.5 times more backlinks. But length alone doesn't work. You need genuine depth. For keyword optimization, aim for 0.5 to 1% density. For a 1,000 word article, that's 5 to 10 uses. Include your keyword in the first 100 words, distribute it naturally throughout, and use variations. Anything over 2% risks penalties. LSI keywords are contextually related terms that help Google understand topic depth. For on-page SEO, you'd naturally include meta descriptions, title tags, heading structure, internal linking. Incorporate 15 to 30 LSI keywords per article. For structure, use short paragraphs of 2 to 4 sentences, implement bullet points and lists, add white space. For articles over 1,500 words, include a table of contents with jump links. This reduces bounce rates and increases dwell time. EEAT is now the most important quality signal. Experience demonstrates first-hand knowledge through real-world examples, case studies, and practical details. Expertise shows depth through comprehensive explanations and data-driven analysis. Authoritativeness comes from credentials, citations, and industry recognition. Trustworthiness requires accurate information, transparency, regular updates, and professional presentation. Add original research, proprietary data, custom graphics, and personal experiences from your actual work. Section 4, the technical details that compound your results. Use 1H, 1 per page with your primary keyword, 45 to 60 characters. H2 tags represent major sections with secondary keywords. H3 tags serve as subsections with long-tail keywords. Never skip levels. Don't jump from H2 to H4. Keep headings concise at 2 to 8 words. Use question formats for informational content to match search queries. Front-load important words since users scan left to right. URLs with 0 to 4 internal links receive 2 clicks from Google search. URLs with 40 to 44 internal links receive 4 times more at 8 clicks. Aim for 2 to 5 contextual internal links per 1,000 words. Prioritize content area links over footer or sidebar. Use descriptive anchor text with keywords like learn about meta description best practices rather than click here. Create topic clusters where pillar pages link to cluster pages and back. Case studies show 23% to 150% traffic increases. 27% of searches are specifically for images. Optimize alt text with 5 to 15 word descriptions of what's visible. Include your keyword naturally when relevant. Good example, orange mural that says ship it on wall at HubSpot's Singapore office. Bad example, keyword stuffing. Use descriptive file names like vacationrentalbeachhouse.jpg, not img_1234.jpg. Compress images using tinypng. Use modern formats like WebP. Implement lazy loading for below-the-fold images. This dramatically impacts page speed. Section 5. Technical foundations where small changes create exponential results. Mobile devices account for 62.54% of global organic search traffic. 53% of mobile users abandon sites taking longer than 3 seconds. A 0.1 second improvement generates 8.4% conversion increase. A 1 second delay causes 7% conversion loss. Only 33% of websites pass core web vitals. Massive opportunity. Focus on largest contentful paint under 2.5 seconds. Compress images, minimize CSS/JavaScript, implement a CDN, improve server response time. Google fully switched to mobile-first indexing in 2021. If your mobile experience is poor, rankings suffer across all devices. Use responsive design. Ensure all content appears on mobile. Make touch targets at least 48 by 48 pixels. Avoid intrusive interstitials. Use legible font sizes without requiring zoom. Test using Google's mobile-friendly test tool. Schema markup increases CTR by 30 to 40%. Schema-optimized results get clicked 58% of the time versus 41% without. Featured snippets experience a 516% traffic increase, yet 31.2% of websites don't use structured data. Your competitive advantage. The most valuable types: article schema, product schema with price and ratings, recipe schema, FAQ schema for expanded results, how-to schema, review schema, local business schema. Use JSON LD format in your HTML head. WordPress users can use Yoast SEO or Rank Math plugins. Test with Google's Rich Results Test and monitor in Search Console. Google doesn't penalize duplicate content, it filters it, but it wastes crawl budget and dilutes link signals. Common causes: www versus non-www, HTTP versus HTTPS, URL parameters, canonical tags, session IDs. Solve this by indicating your preferred URL. Format: link rel equals canonical href equals your preferred URL in the head section. Use absolute URLs with full HTTPS path. Implement self-referential canonicals on preferred pages. Include only canonical URLs in your XML sitemap. Verify in Google Search Console. XML sitemaps help search engines discover all your important pages. Valuable for new websites, large sites, deep page hierarchies, and dynamic content. Include only canonical URLs, excluding duplicates, redirected pages, thin content, and pages blocked by robots.txt. Keep under 50,000 URLs and 50 megabytes uncompressed. Submit to Google Search Console and Bing Webmaster Tools. Reference sitemap location in your robots.txt file. Now, I promised you a free resource at the beginning of this video. My team has created a comprehensive on-page SEO implementation guide to help you execute everything we covered today. This includes a prioritized checklist of every optimization, templates for title tags and meta descriptions by page type, technical audit checklist, schema markup templates, and a tracking spreadsheet. I've added the link at the top of the description. Request the resource from that link, and my team will email it to you within 5 to 10 minutes. We truly want 1,000 businesses to increase their revenue with on-page SEO using our free resources. Next, watch the recent video that we created about the $30 billion founder who thinks that SEO is dead.